Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to install a rebuilt carburetor onto your Briggs & Stratton. This particular Briggs & Stratton is a 14 horsepower Briggs & Stratton. Say we took it to our local motor shop. They put a rebuild kit inside of it, so now we're going to reinstall it here on this engine. Make sure you don't lose this gasket. This gasket's very important so it doesn't suck in air. There we go. Whoops. I knew I was missing something. Something didn't look right. Forgot the air filter plate here. Alright. So and your air filter plate, it goes on behind the carburetor and it sits just like this. Actually, we're going to have to put the springs and clips on the car before we put this over the carburetor, because we won't be able to get to them. Come here, this one's got a electronic choker knot. Where is it? There's a little pinhole in this car top of where the throttle linkage hooks, where the spring connects to. And this engine. There we go. So they just slide through the linkage. We got the bolts for that. We'll stick it all back together. And there we go. Actually, we can pop that up on there until we get the carburetor in place. No big deal. Take the bolts here. Run one to the back of the carburetor. There it goes. And by the way, these bolts, they are 8mm. And they're a pretty long bolt, if you've never done one. Come on, baby. Whoops. You definitely don't want to do that. I'm going to use an extension here. Take that air filter housing up there. All right. Now, put that there. Put the other bolt. Get it started by hand first, so you don't cross thread it. And just give them just a little turn there. You don't want to over tighten them. You're not trying to put them on there, Hulk style. And then this air filter housing has indentations in the housing right there where those studs slide through. We're going to take the breather tube here for the oil, pop it up underneath. See if I can get it without getting a pick. And of course not. Let me grab a little pick here. Or a screwdriver will work just as good. There we go. As you can see there, we got the breather tube up in place. Whoops. Alright. Now, there's a bolt that goes right there in the front. I'm grabbing this hardware here. I got it all sitting inside the air filter box. Just, whoops. Makes it convenient so you don't lose any of it. So I'm just picking it up here, that's all I'm doing. Put the air filter housing on. Take the two nuts that hold the air filter housing on, stick them in place, and I believe these are 1/2 inch or 12 millimeter. Yeah, they're 12. And then put them on the back side here. Get the one that goes in the plastic air filter housing right there. There we go, slide it back for you. Let's get there's one that goes right here in the top of the air filter. Let's see. Oh, wrong one there. So then it bolts to the top of the plenum there that goes to the intake on the valve side right there. So just tighten it down. And then set the air filter up in there. We actually got a new air filter and fuel filter on order, along with a new shutoff valve. And that's why right there is missing, because that's what we're waiting on. We're waiting on the new one to come in stock. I said it's in the mail. It should be here tomorrow. But there you go, guys. That's how you reinstall. And that right there is how you reinstall your rebuilt carburetor assembly on a 14-horse Briggs & Stratton engine. Hopefully y'all found this useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. As I said, hopefully it helped you out. Maybe you have one that you didn't know how to disassemble or reassemble when you took it off. So hopefully it helped somebody out there. Like I said, if you're not subscribed to the channel already, please do so and give this video a thumbs up. Y'all have a great day.